How to enroll in Apple Developer Program. Today, I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide. If you want to publish apps on the App Store or access Apple's developer tools, joining the Apple Developer Program is a must. The process is simple, but you need to follow each step carefully to avoid issues. First, open your browser and go to the Apple Developer website. Once you're there, sign in using your Apple ID. If you don't have one yet, click Create Yours Now and set it up with your basic information. Make sure the Apple ID you're using has two-factor authentication enabled since Apple requires that for developer accounts. After signing in, you'll be redirected to your developer dashboard where you can see options like documentation, account settings, and membership details. Next, click Join the Apple Developer Program. You'll see two main options, enrolling as an individual or as an organization. If you're developing your own apps, choose the individual option. If you represent a company or business, select the organization option instead. For organizations, you'll need a DUNS number which verifies your business identity. It's free to get one, but it might take a few days to process, so plan ahead. After selecting your account type, review Apple's terms and conditions and click Continue. You'll then be asked to confirm your personal or business details, including your legal name and address. Once everything is verified, Apple will take you to the payment screen. The membership costs $99 per year, and you can pay with a credit or debit card linked to your Apple ID. Once the payment is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email from Apple. It might take up to 24 hours for your account to activate, but once it does, you'll have full access to developer tools and resources. That includes app analytics, beta testing through TestFlight, and the ability to submit your apps to the App Store. You'll also gain access to exclusive developer software like Xcode beta versions and pre-release iOS updates, which help you test your apps on the latest systems before they're officially launched. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, you can also enroll directly through the Apple Developer app. Just download it from the App Store, sign in with your Apple ID, and follow the same steps to complete the registration and payment. It's faster and sometimes more convenient since everything happens right on your device. That's it. Once you're officially enrolled, you can start creating and uploading your apps, testing on real devices, and managing your developer account from the same dashboard. Just remember to renew your membership every year to keep your apps active on the App Store and continue accessing Apple's developer tools.